In my undergraduate days, when our lecturers would give us assignment to do, we would meet as a group and then we would discuss ideas on how to solve these problems. Sometimes we would visit the library to consult some books, or sometimes we resort to just Google. Nowadays, students use ChatGPT and artificial intelligence to assist them with their essays and with their assignments. Let's dive into my computer and I'll show you how students use ChatGPT or artificial intelligence to write essays and their assignment. All right. This is a student named Akborido Olodo who has been given an assignment to write a brief history about the Edo ethnic people. This student goes into the browser, type chat.openai.com, inserts the question there for ChatGPT, and ChatGPT, just like magic, begins to do what it has been taught to do. It begins to answer this student's question. And then if you want to stop, if you're tired of the response, you stop. If you want it to continue, all you just need to do is type continue, and ChatGPT will just continue typing and giving you answer. So the student copies this answer, goes to his work, pastes it for you, formats it like he wrote it, and then submits it to you. So the student feels like, I'm smart. So guys, you see, AI is changing the way we do things in the academic system now. Now, what you have just seen may look so easy to do. You get your assignment question, you paste it on a chatbot, and the chatbot gives you the answer. It may look so easy, but no, there are huge implications for carrying out academic activities in this manner. And this is not something that you can learn in just this short video that you have just watched. And this is why on the 24th and 25th of this month of June 2023, I and over 5 seasoned professionals, we are coming together to host an artificial intelligence masterclass for students, for lecturers, for content creators, for a whole wide range of targeted audience, where we are going to be teaching you how to ethically use AI for research and for work. So if I were you, I would drop my comments under this post right now, letting me know that you'll be interested in registering for this event. You can start by following me on all my social media handles at the Digital Librarian, so that you can be among the first persons that gets notified when I release the registration info for this masterclass. Subscribe to this channel so that you can see more videos like this. For those of you who are lecturers, my next video will be for you. Thank you. In the comment section, I'm going to pin the registration details when the time is due. Just drop your comments and let me know that you're interested in this masterclass. Great.